हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल उपीशा जीके क्लासेस। तो आज मैं आपको 23 मई 2025 के टॉप 20 इंपोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस कराने वाली हूँ जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल एंड इंपोर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। सो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. In May 2025, which Indian state became the first in the country to achieve full functional literacy? Correct answer option C. Mizoram. Question 2. Who represented India at the World Hydrogen Summit 2025 held in Rotterdam, Netherlands? Correct answer option B. Santosh Kumar Sarangi. Question 3. The second Blue Talks ahead of the third UN Ocean Conference were hosted in which Indian city? Correct answer option C. New Delhi. Question 4. Udante Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve is located in which Indian state? Correct answer option B. Chhattisgarh. Question 5. What is the name of the nationwide agriculture campaign launched by the Union Agriculture Ministry in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan. Question 6. Overseas Citizenship of India OCI status was introduced by amending which act? Correct answer option C. Citizenship Act 1955. Question 7. Who was appointed as Sudan's first Prime Minister since the civil war began in April 2023? Correct answer option B. Kamil Al-Taib Idris. Question 8. CISF Sub-Inspector Geeta Samota recently became the first officer from the force to summit which peak? Correct answer option D. Mount Everest. Question 9. Which country is projected to become the world's top potato producer by 2050? Correct answer option C. India. Question 10. The first ever global pandemic agreement was adopted in May 2025 by which body? Correct answer option B. World Health Assembly. Question 11. The tenure of Intelligence Bureau Director Tapan Kumar Deka was extended by how long in May 2025? Correct answer option B. 1 year. Question 12. Which country had the highest number of entries in the Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia 2025 list? Correct answer option D. India. Question 13. India assumed the 2025 to 26 chairmanship of which regional productivity organization? Correct answer option C. Asian Productivity Organization. Question 14. AVPL International received DGCA approval to train pilots for which category of drones? Correct answer option C. Medium class. Question 15. In May 2025, the Ministry of Home Affairs launched a new E0 FIR system in which city to auto-register cybercrime cases involving high-value frauds. Correct answer option C. Delhi. Question 16. Donald Trump's proposed Golden Dome missile defense shield is estimated to cost approximately. Correct answer option C. $175 billion. Question 17. What was the theme of the International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 observed on May 22? Correct answer option C. Harmony with nature and sustainable development. Question 18. Jharkhand High Court recently banned tourism, liquor, and non-vegetarian food at Parshunath Hills, also known as Maranguru, located in which district? Correct answer option C. Greedy. Question 19. Which icon glacier in Argentina was reported to be crumbling rapidly in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Perito Morena. Question 20. ARAS 2025 is a joint military exercise held between which two countries? Correct answer option B. Iran and Azerbaijan.